Hello. We're going to do a tutorial on how to do bombs in the MiG-21. So there are a couple different bombs available for the MiG-21. We're just going to go through them real quick. Fab 100s are 100 kilogram bombs. Pretty standard. You can hold up to 4 of them at a time. We also have Fab 250s, Fab 500s, 250, 500 kilogram bombs that make bigger booms. The P100s are 100 kilogram, pretty much exactly the same as the Fab 100s, only they are practice bombs and they will just emit smoke. We also have the BETAB 500 SHP, which is a runway denial bomb. It parachutes down, it's retarded. We won't be covering this bomb in this video, sorry. There is one other bomb available, the RN-28. It is inert and static. We're not going to be covering it in this video. Eventually I'll make a video covering center pylon bombs when we get more implemented. But for now, that's just there to look pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and load up P100s just for this video. And then we're going to go over how to find a firing solution. So, in our MiG-21 install folder, ooh fancy, there is a bombingdata.csv file. When you open it up, it looks something like this. Unfortunately for us MiG-21 people, the cockpit does not have CCIP, it does not have CCRP, it has nothing other than the fixed net and the pipper. That's all we get. We can adjust this manually, and this is actually what we're going to use for bombing, is this pipper right here. So going back to our CSV file, how this works is we decide our firing parameters, which are these three options. We choose which bomb we're going to be using, and we come up with a solution. So let's say I wanted to drop a Fab 100. We know just our pipper can't adjust more than 7.5 degrees down, so all these big ones like these, can't use them. They're just in there for the sake of completion. So if we go down to where our angle is, let's say we're going to dive at a negative 30-degree angle. We're going to go 600 kilometers an hour, and we're going to release at 600 meters height above target. We'd want to set our pipper to 7.2 degrees, 7.3 degrees. We would know that the bomb would take 5.47 seconds to drop, and it would travel 788 meters. So that's how we come up with a firing solution. It's not fancy. I actually have, I can share this with you guys if you want it, or you can input the parameters and it'll give you all the valid solutions for it. So we're going to be dropping a Fab 100. I'm going to be shooting for an angle of 30 down and 700 kilometers per hour. And so we're going to go with a height of 600, which means I have to put my pipper at 5.7, roughly. That's pretty much it. So the important things to remember are the maximum pipper deflection is 7.5 degrees. If you go in here, go to 7.5, you'll see the pipper just stops moving. So it's about 7.5. The other thing is with Fab 100s, your minimum safe dropping height is about 600 meters. With Fab 250s, Fab 500s, minimum safe dropping height is 1,000 meters. That means for those, you cannot use your radar altimeter, you have to use your actual regular altimeter. So with that said, let's get up in the air and I'll show you how to actually drop a bomb. Alright, so now we're in air, we got our bombs loaded, everything's set up how we want. Let's go over how we're going to set up everything. I'm going to flip that to ground. We're going to set that to 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. This means it's going to launch from pylons 1 and 2. This means it's going to launch from 3 and 4 simultaneously. This means it's going to launch from all 4 simultaneously. We're going to leave it at 1 and 2 for now. We have 4x launchers on those. On our gun sight, we've switched to launch, we're going to switch to bomb. And we're going to set our depression angle, which I said was 5.7. Switch this to missile to keep it from moving around a whole lot as we angle and line up our shot. For pylon power, I just have all this set up normally. To actually arm the bombs, we need to flip this switch. They're now armed. To release, we use our normal pickle button on our joystick, which, it's Q, whatever it is. I had never looked at this thing. Q fires the pylon, so that will actually release our bombs. If, for whatever reason, you think you want to be cool and do something different, you can also use the external store, jettison, outbound, inbound. Those will actually work as well. I don't know why you would want to, but you can. If you don't have the bombs armed, they won't explode. You can blow yourself up if you are too low. Don't be too low. If you are using the radar altimeter as your guide, you set it right here. Remember that once you get over 20 degrees in roll or pitch, this starts to lie to you. So it's not going to be very accurate. What is going to be accurate is your altimeter. You should have it set correctly, and you should know what altitude your target's going to be at. For us, we're going to be releasing at about 650, like 630-ish. And we're going to be releasing. I should be diving at an angle of -30. I should have a speed of 700 kilometers per hour. So the height is about 630. And I believe we just passed over our target. So let's turn around and make sure bombs are armed, green light's on, and everything's set. Alright, so starting our bombing run. I'm going to try to get my speed correct as soon as possible. I'm trying to keep it there. I have speed brakes bound to my joystick. I'm also going to start roughly double what I need for altitude. It's going to be a steep dive, so you can kind of see just put my pipper over the target. I'm going to try to stay level until, it feels good, exact science here. And then I'm going to pitch down, try to hit -30 and line everything up just nice and perfect. It's really tough to do. You really have to keep an eye on so much stuff. So I'm like way off to the left. Let's try. I don't know if I got it. Oh crap, I searched. So look at that. 22 and 26 meters, which isn't bad, for this thing. So anyways, that's basically how you bomb. I'm gonna not do any more because I don't want to risk my luck getting worse hits. I hope this helps. I hope that explained a little bit. I will share the special spreadsheet with the macros in Discord if you guys want it. And thanks.